Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A beautifully designed modern outdoor patio area surrounded by lush greenery. At the center of the wooden deck sits a stylish fire pit made of stacked stone, its warm flames creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. A large L-shaped sectional sofa with soft beige cushions and assorted throw pillows provides ample seating, ideal for relaxation or evening gatherings. Above the seating area stands a sleek wooden pergola, offering partial shade while blending harmoniously with the natural surroundings. The edges of the deck are lined with vibrant flowering plants and tall green shrubs, adding a touch of color and freshness to the scene. The nearby stone pathway, interlaced with patches of green grass, enhances the garden's tranquil and balanced aesthetic. Overall, the image captures a perfect outdoor retreat, elegant, warm, and peaceful, a place where modern comfort meets the beauty of nature. A modern metal pergola with an intricate laser-cut pattern on its roof panels. The geometric design casts beautiful, artistic shadows on the ground below as sunlight filters through. The structure has a sleek, contemporary look, blending dark metal beams with decorative detailing that adds elegance and sophistication. In the background, there are green plants and parts of a modern building under a clear blue sky, creating a perfect mix of architecture and nature. A beautifully designed outdoor lounge area under a modern pergola with a fabric canopy. The space features two cozy white sofas decorated with colorful throw pillows, facing each other across a vibrant patterned rug that adds warmth and character. In the center, there is a small coffee table with a plant arrangement. Behind the seating area, a built-in outdoor kitchen with a stainless steel grill creates a perfect setup for entertaining and cooking. The area is surrounded by lush greenery, potted flowers, and trees, giving the space a serene and inviting atmosphere ideal for relaxation or gatherings. A cozy wooden pergola covered with lush green plants and hanging flower pots. Sunlight filters gently through the wooden slats above, creating a beautiful play of light and shadow on the walls and leaves. The pergola is made of smooth, natural wood and serves as a peaceful garden retreat, surrounded by climbing vines and greenery. The hanging planters overflow with vibrant flowers and cascading foliage, adding a touch of color and freshness to the serene, nature-filled setting. A beautiful outdoor wooden pergola set in a well-maintained backyard. The pergola is made of warm-toned wood with sturdy beams and a slatted roof, providing partial shade over a cozy dining area. Beneath it, there's a round wooden table surrounded by matching chairs with white cushions, creating an inviting space for outdoor meals and gatherings. The patio area is paved with stone tiles, and lush green grass surrounds it. Tall evergreen shrubs line the fence in the background, adding privacy and a natural touch to the modern, relaxing garden setting. A modern wooden pergola or gazebo set amidst a very lush, green environment. This dark wood structure has a slatted roof and one partially enclosed vertically slatted side wall, providing an airy yet shaded retreat. It is elevated on a square platform with a light-colored, smooth floor, and the base of this platform is strikingly finished with a dry-stacked stone wall composed of roughly circular, flat gray stones. Irregularly shaped stepping stones lead up to the platform, which is surrounded by a well-maintained grassy area and dense, tropical-looking foliage and mature trees in the background, suggesting a serene and secluded garden or resort setting. A bohemian-style outdoor lounge area nestled within a backyard. The focal point is a wooden pergola with a slatted roof, providing partial shade. The space is softened by light-colored, flowing fabric curtains draped on the corners, which enhance the sense of privacy and relaxation. Beneath the pergola, the seating consists of a DIY daybed or sectional constructed from wooden pallets, topped with thick, comfortable tan cushions and adorned with various decorative pillows, including textured and round bolster cushions. The ground is a mix of concrete slab and soil. The surrounding area features a dark wooden fence and lush greenery, including trees and potted plants, all illuminated by string lights hung from the pergola beams, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. A tranquil and stylish outdoor relaxation space underneath a rustic wooden pergola supported by classical white stone or concrete columns. Lush green vines and foliage densely cover the pergola and trail down the back wall, which features a darker, textured vertical surface, creating a beautiful, natural backdrop. A large, cream-colored woven hammock is suspended between two of the columns, hanging over a comfortable-looking low-profile gray modular sofa or daybed piled with cushions. The flooring is a contemporary mix of light wooden decking tiles interspersed with strips of green grass, adding to the organic feel. Potted plants and other decorative elements frame the scene, completing the look of a serene, sophisticated garden sanctuary. A cozy and functional outdoor patio area featuring a modern pergola painted a dark gray or black. The pergola extends from the back of a house, which has gray siding, and provides shade over a seating arrangement. The patio furniture consists of comfortable dark wicker or rattan couches and chairs with light cushions, creating an inviting space for relaxation. The structure is beautifully decorated with several large, vibrant hanging baskets filled with colorful flowers, primarily pink and yellow petunias. A dark lattice screen on the far side of the pergola offers a degree of privacy from the neighboring yard, and it also features a hanging flower basket. The patio floor is made of pavers, and the area is bordered by a small garden and mature trees in the bright background. A coastal-inspired outdoor dining and entertaining space situated on a wooden deck next to a white-sided house. A classic white wooden pergola with widely spaced slats provides partial shade over the main area. Beneath the pergola is a large outdoor dining table surrounded by white chairs with decorative latticework backs and blue and white patterned cushions, set for a gathering. The deck itself is made of light wood planks, and a separate seating area features a blue and white striped chair, reinforcing the nautical theme. The space is decorated with lighting fixtures, including hanging black lanterns on the pergola and wall sconces, along with potted greenery and a large wreath hanging on a privacy screen, creating a sophisticated, welcoming atmosphere. A beautiful and secluded wooden pergola nestled within a mature garden setting. The pergola, constructed from natural toned wood, features a slatted roof with a few vines beginning to grow over it, and shelters a small patio area with a black wrought iron table and chairs. The patio is accessed via a curved pathway made of gray brick or stone pavers, which winds through the lush landscaping. The garden surrounding the structure is diverse, including a striking blue-tinged coniferous shrub in the foreground, tall, dark evergreen hedges, and a variety of colorful plants in both the ground and in a large, decorative stone planter. A wooden lattice fence provides a backdrop to the entire scene, establishing a cozy and private atmosphere perfect for outdoor dining or relaxation. A sophisticated and well-appointed modern backyard patio designed for extensive outdoor entertaining. The main feature is a large hybrid pergola constructed with natural wood beams and black metal supports, topped with clear panels for a partially sheltered roof. Beneath the pergola, a long dining table with dark woven chairs and white cushions is set up, illuminated by a centerpiece of bright yellow flowers. The patio floor is a mix of light gray pavers and stone edging, transitioning to a neatly maintained lawn and various garden beds filled with low-lying plants. In the background, there is a dedicated outdoor kitchen and lounge area, enclosed by warm wooden fencing and featuring a grill and an entertainment center, creating a complete and luxurious outdoor living space. A beautiful, inviting dark-stained wooden pergola situated in a lush, vibrant garden. Suspended beneath the pergola's beams is a comfortable wooden porch swing fitted with light-colored cushions. The structure is heavily draped with vibrant red flowering vines, creating a gorgeous canopy that contrasts with the dark wood. The swing area is paved with a light-colored brick or stone patio, bordered by a neat, low stone edge. The surrounding garden is full of life, featuring dense greenery and bushes with pink, white, and red blooms, suggesting a secluded and romantic spot perfect for relaxation and enjoying nature.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.